Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. We got a fun little review to do today. I got it just in time for Valentine's Day, the only Valentine's Day cap I purchased this year, a Valentine theme cap. And, the Valentine's Day brings back a lot of memories. And, I met my wife back in 97, I believe. And been together ever since. And I remember our first Valentine's Day. But yeah, it's great times, but also more memories of that is at the radio station, WJLB 95, FM 98. I remember at nighttime, they used to play what we called baby making music on The Quiet Storm. Remember the guy always come in there with a real soft voice? And midnight on The Quiet Storm. And they'd play R&B from 11 p.m. to like 2 in the morning. And, you're just some of those memorable songs on there. And you always tune in. That was before, you could buy CDs, you could download on Apple. So you had to go by the radio and hit the record button, have the cassette in there, hit the record button, and try to time it perfectly so you didn't have any of the little ads in there. And another thing is you always had celebrities. For some odd reason, the Detroit one always had Billy D. Williams. I don't know why. Maybe he was a ladies' man. I don't know. But I'm just kidding around there. But yeah, they had some great R&B back in the 80s. You had Luther Vandross. You had New Edition. And those guys were all there all the time. Just a lot of good memories. How about Ready for the Road? Let me love you down. Yeah, that was a great song. Albie Shore, Guy. You had Isley Brothers, Between the Sheets. Yeah, those were just top hits. Troop. Remember Troop? I don't know if you guys. My favorite one back then was probably Force MD's Tender Love, Tender Love. And they always, in the video, they had them sitting outside their apartment complex or sitting on the stairs. One guy was standing up, had the kind of like the scally cap on back in the day. But yeah, great memories. But this one is going to pay a little homage to the Quiet Storm. And so I'm back like I'm the radio DJ. And we're going to do a review today of what could be the #1 hit on the next Quiet Storm. But yeah, so what we have here is Rad Caps. This is the Love Spell. So that's a perfect name song for the Rad Caps, Love Spell. I got my nice little box cutter here now that I know how to work. Look at that. It's like clockwork now. Yep, so I no longer have to use my teeth. So we're going to go and open up this Love Spell. But yeah. Good old 80s R&B. Right, the 80s and early 90s was probably up to, I'd say the whole 90s. The old 90s was really good. You didn't have too many, now it's it's really not true R&B anymore. It's there's just not. You had Chris Brown made a couple songs that were halfway decent, but there's no slow R&B anymore. It all has some kind of hip hop flavor to it or rap flavor, and it's always got a feature. Dude, carry your own song. It's not hard to carry your own song. So, we got the Love Spell here. Great looking cap. Really do like it. I did get a 59 centimeter. And we're going to go over that to see what we got in here. See what Todd sent me for gifts. Oh, got some pins. Yeah, I did order the pins as well. Yeah, well, I'll show you those in a second. All right. And look at this. He even sent a little package for Ace, some cat treats. And I have a feeling these are Temptations. As you can see back here, he's already got some Temptations on the floor. That's how I keep him calm when I do reviews. But yeah. Hey, Ace. Where you at, bud? Ace. Todd sent you a gift. I don't know where he's at now, but yeah. So thanks, Todd. I'll make sure Ace gets these. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Thank you very much. All right. Let's see what we got here. This is the first pin. Yeah, I'm going to use my teeth for this one. I ain't pulling back the razor. Come on. But also, what was some of your favorite R&B songs of the 80s and 90s? Guy had a lot. I remember Guy. Man, these things are really, really in there good. Oh, should have used the blade. So this is the first pin I got. Pretty cool. And the next one I got is one I'll probably put on the cap. but it always had that soft-spoken voice. This is the Quiet Storm. FM 98, WJLB, Detroit. All right. Now let's go ahead and get a closer look at this love spell. All right. And here's the love spell. Like I said, I love the colors. It has that all heart from Boston Scally, far as like the pattern there on that 1/4 panel. And they did make a difference in the band. The band is now flat. It's not like that little cup-like, kind of like the Scallywags or whatever it might be. It didn't bother me before, but you can definitely tell it's a thicker whatever this part of the circumference part is. So let's go ahead and put this on in here first. We're going to put the Love You Mwah on there. I'm going to put it right here. And then we're going to go show a close-up of this bad boy. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and show a close-up and see what this love spell is all about. All right, let's go ahead and do it. And here's a close-up of the love spell. You can see that pattern. It's a great-looking cap. Really do like this one a lot. I'm kind of glad. And, of course, I got the pin on there. And this is the part I was talking about where it's got the flat brim now. It used to have one that kind of came out a little bit. And it didn't bother me, but I did see some people comment on it. And then you got the Rad Caps, 59. But yeah, how about that beaut? Perfect for Valentine. I'm going to wear this today. My wife and I are going to the movies. We're going to go see Solo Mio with Kevin James. We're going to go see that at 12:30. But yeah, it's a great looking cap. I'm going to wear this today, in fact. All right, let's go ahead and try this bad boy on. All right, so here we go. The love spell. Or they would say it on the Quiet Storm. This is the Quiet Storm. Our number 1 hit of the month, or this week, is the Love Spell by Rad Caps. Let's go ahead and try this on. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. You guys had, especially those New Yorkers and everything else, they had to have more than one channel of Quiet Storms. In fact, I know there's references to Rock Am. He used to say the Quiet Storm. Yeah, I'm trying to go to us there. Yeah, it's there's definitely reference. So you guys had to have a Quiet Storm up in New York. Plus the population's insane up there, so they definitely had the Quiet Storm. Yeah, because otherwise there wouldn't be a population as high as it is. There was nothing else to do. My grandmother told me there was only, what did she say? There was only 2 things opened after midnight. Well, 3. She said legs, hospitals, and jail. Yep, and that's the truth. But let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. Yep, that's the one. That is the one. Yeah, Todd. Rad Caps did their thing here. How about that? That pen looks tremendous as well. Really do like that. Huh. Nice cap, Todd. Rad Caps. Beautiful cap. I really dig that pen. I really dig the pen. And also, on this other pen here, the steak in beige, I'm going to have to Google what beige means. If anybody could tell me what beige means before, I'm pretty sure I'll be in the comments by the time I look it up. But yeah, I'm unfamiliar with that. It must be like a certain part of the country that used that term, because I never heard that before. But Todd, again, thanks for the beautiful hat. Love it. Thank you for being on the Gentleman's Roundtable. We're going to go and show a Gentleman's Roundtable commercial real quick for this Tuesday, as we have Chris Lopp joining us from Funky Brims. So let's go ahead and enjoy that ad.
All right, let's get this party started. Yeah, feel that funky beat. Come on, everybody, get up and dance. Show us your move.
And again, Todd, Ace is going to love you for this. Nice little, some treats for him. And he's going to love it. Again, that's pretty cool, buddy. I appreciate it. That's the reason why people come back. Customer service like that. And again, let me know what you guys think of the love spell. I'm going to go ahead and grade this real quick. Out of all the, I have the Rad Cap. I have the Harry. I have, I'm drawing a blank. The Dumb and Dumber guy's name. Lloyd. I have the Harry, Lloyd, and then I got the love spell. This love spell, I'm a bright colored guy. So this is going to be right behind the Harry and the Lloyd, but I love the theme. I love the pen. And I mean, not to knock it or anything like those Harry and Lloyd's, you know, those are like 4.3, 4.4 caps. This is definitely a 4.1, 4.2 cap. And the Rad Cap is a 4.0. I mean, they're all over fours. And this is a great cap. Thank you again, Rad Caps. Appreciate you guys being on the gentleman. I appreciate you being on the Gentleman's Roundtable. And thanks everybody for watching. Reviews Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.